Yo, what's going on everyone? I'm Ujan and welcome to the very first episode of Arty Crafty Sunday. This is a special series of my channel in which I'm going to be making some awesome DIYs every Sunday. So let's see what we're going to make today. So today we'll make this beautiful table completely out of old newspapers. So let's make it. So first I'm going to take a sheet of newspaper and I'm going to make a roll out of it. Now I'm going to apply some glue here and I'm going to stick it. Now I will trim both of its ends and now I will cut it exactly in half. And now we have two paper rolls. Similarly, I've made these paper rolls and now I'm going to stick them together. To stick these I'm using hot glue gun, but you can use any adhesive. Okay, so I've attached all the paper rolls together and I'm going to be sticking two more paper rolls. But these paper rolls are attached vertically and I'm going to be sticking these two horizontally. So I'm going to stick one here and the other one here. And there we go. So it's looking quite sturdy and I'm going to cover this with a white paper. So we are done with this and now let's make the legs. So to make the legs I'm going to take a full set of newspaper and I'm going to make a roll out of it. Now I'm going to cover this with a white paper. Now I'm going to apply some hot glue on the bottom to increase the friction. Similarly, I've made 3 more legs. Now I'm going to stick the legs with the board that we have made. So I've attached all the legs and I'm going to be attaching some more newspaper pieces to give the legs some support. I'm also attaching some thick newspaper rolls with the legs. Okay, so now let's turn it. And nice. Now let's put something heavy on it. So this is the table, nothing's fake here. Now I'm gonna put one of my books on it. And okay, it's carrying it. Now I'm gonna put another notebook. Nice. Another book. Very nice. Our table passed. But you should not put too much weight on it, otherwise it will break and all of your effort will just go. You got the point. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, then leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Also you can leave a comment. Till then, take care everybody. See you in the next episode.